Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up an account, how to download the application, how to install it, and how to use its functions. I'm going to cover a range of topics, such as choosing the right microphone, setting up a virtual background, screen sharing, turning off your camera, seeing other participants, and using the layout function. So let's get started. Let's go to the screen share. This is the screen sharing section, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's go to the Webex website and click the download button. Once you downloaded the file, run the installation and follow the steps. In order to set up an account, click sign up, and on this step, write your email. After you've written your email, click next. After that, you go to your email, copy the 6-digit code, paste it here, choose a password, and then you have an account. After you download the app, you click the sign in button, enter your email and your password. And this is the homepage. In order to join a meeting, you either click the link that you received over email or click the join button here and insert the code of the meeting code. In order to start a meeting right now, you click this button, and in order to schedule a meeting, you click this button. Let's schedule a meeting together. So this is a meeting that you can set up in April, half-an-hour meeting, Brussels time. There's going to be a special link for this. I do not want a password, advanced settings. People can join using their computer, and always mute attendees when they join. Schedule options, enable breakout rooms, and people can join 15 minutes before the event time. I do not want to lock the meeting. Password, test. Then, in order to see the meetings that have been scheduled, this is the meeting that I scheduled. I click start, and here you can select your microphone and your camera. I'm using the computer audio for the microphone and the video. You click here to select the microphone you want to use, and here to select the speaker. So right now I'm using the AirPods. If I want to hear you from the speakers, I can select the speakers, and the same. I'm using the AirPods microphone. If I want to use the microphone from the iMac, I can select the microphone from the iMac here. For the video, I can choose a virtual background from here, or once it's pre-selected, or I can click the plus button and use another image from my computer. I'm ready, so I will click start. So this is the interface. I'm going to walk you through a few buttons over here. This is how you mute and you unmute yourself. Stop and start the video. This is from the button you need to use in order to share your screen. For example, I want to share Google Chrome. So right now I'm sharing the screen and people can see my screen. I can also open a PowerPoint presentation and click next. You can pause the screen sharing from there, from this button, if you want to do something and you don't want the participants to see it. They will see the last frame that was available to them before you clicked pause, and then you click play again, and after your presentation is over, you can click stop. The next button is record the meeting. You have the option to click start. The meeting will be recorded and either downloaded to your local computer or into the cloud. It depends what kind of license you have, paid or free. These are the breakout sessions. I will create a breakout session right now, and I can assign participants to the breakout session. I will start the breakout session. And what is a breakout session? Basically, it's a separate room that you can put your guests in. I will join one. So now I'm in a breakout session. It looks similar, but you can split your participants in more rooms. I will go back to the main room and I can end all the breakout rooms. If I want to say something, I can raise my hand as a speaker, as a participant. The moderator can see this and then can tell me that I can join, unmute my microphone and ask the question. The next button is the reactions button, and all the other participants will see your reaction. More options. From here I can mute all the participants, and here's the chat function. Hello world. You can send it to everyone or to a particular participant. And this is the button you use to end the meeting.
And there you have it, a comprehensive tutorial on how to use Webex. Using these tips and tricks, you'll be more confident into using the application.